everywhere I go.
Good morning, guys. You don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I am people are saying, but right then I know some of the vlogging. Right then I know some of the MELICASKYLIFE. Why though? Why though? He's the better twin. Ooh! Sorry, I laughed to myself as well. But, blonde. Morning, morning. Morning, morning, morning. Guys, I am on my way to church. Let's go to church. Get the word. Yes. Guys, you know, this morning I came on to talk and I'm just so grateful and so happy. Like, genuinely happy. I mean, I need nothing for happy. Like, when I'm looking at myself and see where I've been, I'm just so happy. I said to Punky, say, Punks, last year, this time, like, I thought I was gonna die. You know? I was literally in a very bad and dark place. Like, I never know something that exists. I only see them in a movie. And I wish one day, well, let's not say that, scrap that. But I'm just so happy because I can see the progress from last year this time to now, and I'm so happy. I'm so excited and so proud because when I was at the lowest in my life, I decided that, Malika, you're not gonna stay here. Where low I go? Low enough fit you. You need for the pants up, you're a star. You need for your shine, you know. And I decided that I'm not staying in the place that I was, you know, because I didn't like this. Enough fit me. You understand? And I was so dedicated to get myself out of that space, you know, and to finally say I'm just so grateful, you know. I'm grateful. Gratefulness. When in the ear DJ Khaled I say grateful, I never understand what I mean, like grateful. Now I can say I'm grateful, like, to just have life in itself and to be able to have the opportunity to do better than I did yesterday, you know. And that's just a humbling feeling. Just a humbling feeling. I went somewhere yesterday and the opportunity that I got in front of me, like, this one is a big opportunity, and it came through me vlogging. Morning. It came through me vlogging and talking the way I talk, and like, you're going to help me accomplish something I did really want, like, I really want all of my life. I can't tell you yet because it's so big. Well, it's big for me.
Hi.
And so, morning.
Morning.
So it's so big for me. Like, yesterday I come home, I said, Punky, what am I do? Like, never. No say. But I don't get an opportunity like that. And it's just from me asking questions and speaking up and asking for what I want. Because it's a big opportunity. Big. So guys, stay tuned for that and just keep positive. Write down your goals, know what you want in a life, meditate upon them. Yo, cut out negativity, you know, worrying and fretting. That don't make no sense. Tell me, because anything, the energy where you put out that you will get back. And anything where you dwell upon that you will get. So you just have to be positive, and then positive things will come to you. So that's what I have to say. I'll pray for you guys. Thanks for stopping by.